Excited na ako. Oh, lapit na. Lapit na. So how do you feel?
Normal.
Normal. Ay ko.
So I've always been there.
Yun na! Birthday mo na! Happy birthday, Marco! Happy birthday, Marco! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Marco!
Bait naman.
Happy birthday, babe! Yay! Ay, sana together.
Was it on this whole time?
No, just now.
Oh.
I'm here.
How does this case work? It's so cool. Sige nga, kunin mo nga. Pwede ba ilabas?
Oh, pwede kasi. Just filming the bride and the groom. And this whole time, naka-ano to. I'm like, oh no, blurry. Birthday, Marco.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Oo, nagutom sa traffic.
Yes. Sabay nga sila dumating. I'm glad.
Okay, we're gonna go get some dinner now.
Food is here. Ta-da! Yay!
A yellow cab.
Di na hungry.
The pizza is here. Tingnan natin kung sa delivery. Yup.
Zero, ano naman daw? Zero calamity.
Beautiful girl.
Zero.
I don't know. Are they okay with that? You want soda instead? Or zero sugar?
Like acidic.
She's acidic.
Hyper-acidic po.
So lahat ng
Kanina.
soda, hindi pwede, no?
Yeah, not today. Just eat.
Si Luis, ano?
Wawa, bawal mag sugar.
Ba yung
Soda drink.
Ha?
But there's root beer.
Orot din kayo, Marco.
Nag-iba yung ano tingin. No!
Joke lang. Siyempre, bawal pa rin. Ano?
Let's eat. Root beer. I need to eat first.
Para may padding yung acidity. Sige.
Kain lang kasi ano.
So true. Ano? I'm good. Hurry, Mom!
Ano ba to? Sayang kanina, dito sila ano. Nagdala ng
Oh, yeah.
cake sa kanya. Ay, paalala mo mamaya mag-cake kayo. Dati po ba lumaloko rin kagaya ko? Ako yung
Yeah. Sakto lang.
Di ba, family?
Kaya na.
Oo, minsan yun ang sinasabi sa akin.
Dapat isa lang yung,
Hindi
isa
lahat.
o dalawa lang yung.
Hindi lahat makakaintindi sa'yo. Wala ka naintindihan sa Ilocano?
Konti.
Ay, alam mo yung ang gawin at ano?
Ayaw magtapon.
Tuha ala. Magala.
Pero sa lahat na nakaranasan nila,
Sa tingin ko lang ay,
Ba't hindi ka?
Parang pogi at classy.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi nagtatlantan ay palalite.
Parang dalawa sa yan lang, tapos isang blind item.
Hindi, at saka, ano nangyari? Palagay ko pati kay Maricel eh. Ay, diba? Kasi sa Singapore yun eh. Diba? Mount Elizabeth yun eh. Nasabi nga ni Daisy Ignacio, ako naka-check-in sa hotel.
Sa konti lang nilalagay ko.
Sa hospital ayaw.
Mama na make
Mas loda ka.
it.
Ganun lang, grabe ka, baka naubos.
Diba kami po sa kino?
Okay, okay na lang. I'll make you another one without the spice.
Hindi, lagyan mo pero super okay lang.
Tignan mo naman yung
Kapag ikaw ay siya ba? Zero sugar.
Huwag ka na mag-iutis.
Mabilis ka kasi talaga.
Dumaan lang.
Oo. Kasi papasok kasi ano.
Ayun.
Cute mo sa uniform, Don. Grabe sa kanya uniform.
Ayun, last lang ba na yung
Hindi, papasok pa lang.
ayun mag-schedule na after yung
Oo. Hindi, 11:30. Late na nga eh.
hanggang?
11 months dito, di ba? 11:15. Maganda yung napili mo mga jacket. Magaling ka pala magbukal. Ayan ang gustong gawin ni Marco. Tara, Rachel, kahit body ka na. Ay, basta makapag...
Yan ang kanyang
Sa night market.
Wala siyang kulita.
Kasi sa public
in the past, kasi kahapon lang, nangyari ang lahat ng bagay at mga alaala ng pagsamahan.
Ako yung tapat. Ay, meron pala eh. Sino po partner?
Ay, ito po tayo.
Kaya gusto mo yung ganyan kulay.
But somehow, something from the past left a hole in your heart. We got
Black ba yan?
Opo.
What do you do
Naman ako,
for the
kala ko
only reason
Ito,
for you to have a
Blue-green eh, no?
take back the nakaraan?
Ako sa gab-gab.
Ay, si Gogo, gusto. Ang ayaw si ano, yung mga, ano niya?
Maganda nga yung parte yun, talaga
Mas medyo, hindi ako mahilig magka... Pero syempre si Japan. Speaking of Japan, magbatata tayo.
prefers bright light and well-draining soil. Once you understand its simple needs, it practically takes care of itself.
You
The
need
gel
space in that?
inside the leaves
No, it's
can be
okay.
used to soothe
I'm just gonna
burns,
take out a short
cuts,
video
and
and
skin
picture.
irritation, making
This cake
plant
is
both
from
decorative and
Sha.
functional. Perfect for beginners is its straightforward care requirements and clear
Lumubog na medyo.
Aloe grows slowly and steadily, producing offsets or puffs at the base that can be separated and potted to create new plants. This easy propagation makes
It's a
aloe
mango.
a plant that keeps watering is the real danger,
Sorry.
causing root rot and mushy leaves. If your aloe produces offsets, wait until they're a few
But you-
inches tall
kaya mo ba ikaw
and
mag-selfie
carefully
ng
separate
picture mo,
them
ano?
and pot them individually. Aloe vera is virtually
Itong-
pest-free and thrives.
Yung
Chinese
isa po
evergreen is one of the
nandun,
most
yung
Ano ba yun? Yung
valuable
kulay green?
and
Ano ba
low
yun?
light
DG
plants
Camp
available,
po.
making it
Parang
ideal for
ganito po, pero hindi
beginners
siya
who want
film,
color and
parang-
pattern without the hassle.
Ano lang
This
siya.
plant produces stunning leaves in shades of green, silver, pink, and red, depending on the variety.
Yung buko
It
si
tolerates low
Marco.
light, irregular watering,
napindot ko.
and average household conditions with ease.
Di wala pa rin.
That was that.
Grows slowly and steadily.
Napindot ko.
Plants response to wide range of conditions and bounces back
Nakakalikot,
minor mistakes.
nakasilit.
Chinese evergreen also communicates its needs clearly.
Can we take another one? Are you sure?
Signal the need for water, and
Marami
yellow
akong
leaves indicate fertility. This feature helps beginners learn proper care without killing.
Oh my
I'm keeping this
How
one.
to care for Chinese evergreen.
Alahati
Place your
yun.
Chinese
Patawad.
evergreen in the low to medium
Nagulat din siya eh.
It's
Ano
one of the
napindot?
few plants that truly thrives in dim lighting.
No, I look like
Avoid
Edna
direct
there.
sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water when the top
Dali,
edge of
mag-develop ka
soil
agad.
is dry, allowing to remove dust and keep
Kasi
looking
hindi nila
glossy.
patak siya, oh.
Feed every 2 to 3 months during the growing season
What's
with
the
diluted
actual-
liquid
Here's the
fertilizer.
shutter.
The plant is relatively
Yes.
pest and low maintenance, making it perfect for beginners who want color without complexity. Essential
Yan,
care
totoo na
tips
yan.
every beginner
That's it.
needs to know.
Thank
Now that you know
you.
the best beginner
Yeah, that's
plants,
good.
let's cover it as a decorative outer pot and keep the plant in a plastic nursery pot inside. Third, don't repot immediately after
Before.
bringing the plant home unless it's severely root-bound. Plants need time to adjust to their new environment, and repotting adds stress. Fourth, start with basic potting soil for most plants, or
Okay, yung
cactus
pangalawa,
mix for
yung
succulents like aloe and snake plant. Avoid heavy garden soil, which can make predictable mistakes and cause problems.
Anyways.
The biggest mistake is overwatering. More house
Back it
plants
up.
die from too much water.